Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you're going to be teaching any kind of cursive letter formation, you're going to enter into GeoGebra. I'm going to have this link in my blog post as well as in the comment section. Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you're going to be teaching any kind of cursive letter formation, take a look at GeoGebra. I'm going to have this in my blog post as well as in the description. And enter into the specific letter. So I'm going to enter into A. Scroll down. I'm going to make this a little bit larger, and you can see it's taking you through the formation. And you can just have this project, or however you want to have this up for your students to see, but it will keep going through that for them. If you need to pause, you can certainly pause it just there. If you want to take away the full screen, go ahead and select that. If you scroll down then, you can see how you can then go on to the letter B. If you'd like, you could always select right up in here, go into another letter. Let's go ahead into the letter J. Go ahead and select it. Scroll down. And of course, again, you can enter into large. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.